Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can fill out Credit Karma Tax Form 1098. So let's jump right in. To get started, open any web browser and go to creditkarma.com. Once you're on the site, click the login button at the top right corner. On the login page, enter your email and password, then click to sign in. After logging into your account, if you've already begun your tax return, you'll have the option to continue where you left off. Otherwise, you can start a new return from scratch. As you work through your tax return, navigate to the section labeled Deductions and Credits. This is where you'll enter any deductions, including information from your Form 1098. Look for the area related to mortgage interest deduction. This is the part of the form where you'll need to input the mortgage interest details as reported on your Form 1098. Credit Karma Tax will walk you through each step, asking for the relevant amounts and details. Be sure to enter everything accurately and double-check your numbers to avoid any mistakes. Once all the information is filled in, take a moment to review your entire tax return to ensure everything looks correct. When you're confident everything is accurate, go ahead and submit your return. If you run into any issues during the process, you can always contact Credit Karma's customer support for assistance.